Now we make sure that our component is well aligned with the rest of the text, and then preview it. So the result is our text changing. Once you are done with that, we create our meta copy by selecting the text tool and entering the text on our main frame, and then making the necessary adjustments to the text preferences or settings. The next thing we're going to do after creating the meta copy is to create the call to action. So to do that, we just use our button components we created earlier. So we just duplicate what we have up there and then bring it down here and change the shape slightly to make it a bit bigger and more visible. Once we are done with the adjustment, we preview it to see the work we've done so far. The next thing we're going to do is create the illustration. So we're going to import the illustration file into Figma. So you do that by going to your recent files and then drag and drop the fig file of your illustration into your recent file. Once you're done importing, you open it in your Figma and then select the illustrations. You copy the illustration we'll be using on the landing page and go to the landing page file and paste it there. You copy by pressing Command or Control C on your keyboard, and then you paste by pressing Command or Control V on your keyboard. After you've pasted it onto your main frame you're working on, you adjust it to the proper size. Once we are done adjusting it, the next step to do is to change the colors of our illustration. Once we are done with our illustration, we do our final preview, and as you can see, everything works as it should. Our menu, the hover works, our dynamic text changes. We've come to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, you can leave them and I'll answer them. See you next time. Bye.